In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly capitalize names or whatever you need to capitalize. And here we're going to go with the student name here. We're going to highlight that column, hit insert. We'll start with the first name, Jillian, hit enter. Start with the second name, and there you can see Kayla pops up and shaded the rest of the students' names also. Just hit enter. And that's all you have to do to capitalize. You can use a proper formula, but this is easier. The next thing I'm going to do is show you how to insert uh, or combine two columns or more. We're just going to do two columns. And what I'm going to do is show you how I want you to highlight two columns and insert. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with this formula. It's equals B2 ampersand quotation space quotation ampersand C2. We're just going to copy that, and we're going to place this in cell D2, and for some reason I had that. There you see. Now just go ahead on the little box here, double click, and you've completed them. But if you look and see in the formula bar, it's nothing other than a formula. So what you want to do is highlight it, copy it, go to the next column, and go to values. And then if we look in the formula column, it's just their proper names as opposed to this column, which is a formula. So we're just going to delete that. And then you can work with this however you want.